This is my Jeep garage maintenance quick update. I'll put the date and time in the captions later. Anyway, as I said in the last video, I still had to do along that wall over there. Still needed some trim work and another coat. Anyway, I got that done. Most of the work was moving everything. But anyway, I'm still working on this stuff. I've got a little trim on this side over here too, but not as much. Okay, that's my Jeep garage maintenance out for now. It is Sunday. I think it's either the 23rd or the 24th. I'll put it in the caption. Out. And good morning, it's my Jeep update, and it's Tuesday, October 26th, 2021. Yeah, I am doing a little work on my Jeep, nothing heavy. I'm doing a little more adjustment on my steering. I believe the last adjustment I made, it was just a little too tight because the steering seemed to be too tight, so I loosened it up about 1/8 of a turn. I got to move it out on the road because I'm still working on my driveway. I got to do the other half now. And I'm also going to put some new turn signal bulbs in after I get this, check this out. Anyway, that's a quick my Jeep update, and if I make any progress on anything else, I'll get back with you. Out for now. Pretty good. And this is my Jeep garage maintenance. Still working on the driveway. It's in the early afternoon, about 1:30 or so, and I did a little work on the Jeep. I put some new turn signal bulbs in the front, and also readjusted my steering, took it for a little drive, and it seems to be much better. So I'm going to leave it like that for a while. Anyway, as you can see, I'm pushing working the right side of the driveway now, and I'm going to continue working on that the rest of the afternoon. That's a my Jeep update for Tuesday, October 26th, 2021.
I never listen to your cheers and praise. Oh no, I never stop to see you try. I never listen to the words you
What you want,
say.
sweetheart?
Oh,
Good
no,
daddy.
I never look your eyes of sorrow. I never listen to your cries
You want
of
this?
pain.
You want that?
You give your love and I don't care.
Would they save you
I'm
that?
sometimes foolish and so vain. Oh no, I never told you that I love you.
You
When
sure
all
are
you
pretty.
did you took from me. But honey, if you let me,
Look at that baby begging. I'll get you something in a little bit. You lay down for right now. In a little bit, okay? Lay down. Lay down. Come on. Go lay down in a little bit. Lay down. That's a good dog. That's a good dog. You're a good dog.
forgive me if I can say it. I never ever let you cry. I never ever let you cry.
You gonna get daddy hug?
I never
Give my
stop to
hug.
let you try.
You gonna get daddy hug?
I never
Give
stop
my
to
hug.
let you try. I never ever let you go. Oh no, I listen to the words you say. I give you all my heart and prayers. tears and